definition of sunnah as given by the jurists. When we say, by the way, when we say that it is obligatory to follow the sunnah, and when we talk about the importance of the sunnah and Islam and the fact that we have to follow the sunnah, we're talking about the definition of the sunnah from the legal theory point of view. Now, how do the jurists define sunnah? The fuqaha, they want to study actions from the point of view of our responsibility towards that action. Do we have to do it? Is it recommended for us to do it? Is it permissible? Is it disliked? Is it forbidden? And so forth. So the jurists, how do they find the word sunnah? But basically, the jurists, when they talk about sunnah, they talk about an act which is not obligatory, nor is it simply permissible. It's something in between, which we might call a recommended act. And in fact, for them, basically sunnah and mustahab and mandub are basically the same category. Okay, so when the jurists talk about something as sunnah, they mean that it's not obligatory. And this is the definition from the jurist point of view. It has nothing to do with what we talk about when we say that or it has very little to do with what we talk about when we say that it is obligatory upon the Muslims to follow the sunnah. So don't get confused by that definition and think that the sunnah means something which is not obligatory. So the jurists use the word sunnah. What they mean by that is a recommended act. Don't get confused between their terminology and what we mean when we say it's obligatory to follow the sunnah.